Once again, welcome back in our online class. Today is your science class and today we will discuss lesson 14. Lesson 14 light, shadow and reflection. Open page number 140. In this chapter, we will discuss about light and its sources, how light travel, shadow, reflection, difference between image and shadow. Let's begin our chapter. Light. Why we are unable to see objects in a dark room? It is only because of light that we can see objects around us. How can we see all things around us? Because of light. Light is invisible, but it makes things too visible for us. When it falls on the object, we can see that object. That means by the light we can see different things around us. When light falls on object, the reflect light rays reach our eyes, thus enabling us to see the object. In our, how can we see? We know that we have 5 sense organs and our eye help us to see and eye help us to sense of sight. In this also, in our eye, when light from our eyes fall on the object, any object, it will come back as a reflected form, and after coming back, it will form an image of that object on retina of our eyes. Like this, our eye also, in our eye also, image form because of light. First, light from our eyes fall on that object. Again, it will come by reflection, and this reflected light make image on the retina of our eyes. In this chapter, we will study about the properties of light, sources of light, shadow formation, and reflection. Light is also a form of an energy. Light energy and natural light we get from the sun. Sun is the main source of light. Light is a form of energy. It travels very fast. जो light होती है, it travels very fast. For example, you can see when we take one picture. जब आप एक पिक्चर लेते हो तो उसमें ना क्लिक की साउंड होने से पहले ही लाइट अपन को दिख जाती है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? साउंड के कंपेयर में कौन ट्रेवलिंग फास्ट कर रहा है? लाइट. तो लाइट इज ट्रेवल्स वेरी फास्ट. In fact, nothing in this universe has a speed greater than that of light. लाइट से ज़्यादा किसी की भी स्पीड नहीं है. लाइट की स्पीड सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. The speed of light is approximately 3 lakhs किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. आप देख सकते हो पर सेकेंड it can travel 3 lakhs किलोमीटर. Light travel in form of both waves as well as particles. Light have a dual property. It can be particles also and it can be waves also. Particles of light called photons, and when flow of this photon known as wave. It is said to have wave nature and particle nature. Just now we have discussed light have dual properties, wave natures and particles natures. Light does not require any medium to travel. इसको किसी भी ट्रेवल करने के लिए किसी मीडियम की रिक्वायर नहीं होती है. So that the sunlight easily can reach on the earth. Sun rays, hence light travel to us on the earth from stars like the sun without any medium in between. That means we can say for traveling a light there is no any medium required. Next, sources of light. Sources of light. How does the sun shine? Because of its light. How does a torch give us light? Because of that cell produce electricity, and by this electricity torch give us light. So there are 2 types of object according to produce of light. First, luminous object, and second, non-luminous object. Luminous object, the objects that can produce and that can emit their own light, they are called luminous object. Objects that can produce which produce light on their own are called luminous objects. For example, sun, stars and various types of bulbs, fireflies and candles are luminous objects. However, we are able to see objects like a table, chair, bed, etc. in a room because of light from luminous objects falls on them and the light then reach our eyes. देखो अपन जो रूम होता है उसकी सारी चीज़ें ल्यूमिनस नहीं, तो अपन सारी चीज़ों को देख कैसे पाते हैं? तो जो ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स होती हैं उनकी लाइट नॉन ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट पे पड़ती है और वो लाइट फिर वहाँ से अपनी आइज पे पहुँचती है और उन चीज़ों को अपन वी कैन सी दैम ऑल थिंग्स non-luminous object which do not produce light on their own but emit light which fall on them are called non-luminous object. We see the moon shining but it is a non-luminous as it reflects the light of the sun. Why moon is shining? Because of the sunlight which falls on it. For an astronaut on the moon, the earth also appear like a shining blue ball. Our earth planet is also known as blue planet because our most of part of our cover of our earth is covered with water, so it is known as blue planet. Whenever astronauts see the earth from the moon, it look like a blue shining ball. Luminous objects can be man-made or natural both. जो ये ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं जो अपनी लाइट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं वो दे कैन बी बोथ नेचुरल सोर्सेज एंड मैन मेड सोर्सेज. लाइट नेचुरली लाइक स्टार्स, सन, fireflies, they are example of natural sources of light. Next, man made sources. The sources which is made by the man, they are called man made sources of light. Example, different types of bulb, candles, these all are example of man-made sources. Next topic, how light travel. Understanding this topic, how light travel, we will do one exercise. We will do one activity. In this activity, we require a straight rubber tube, a torchlight, and a candle. Method. First take a rubber tubes and look through it at a lighted candle or bulb. एक स्ट्रिप अपन आइस की हेल्प से एक रबर ट्यूब से कैंडल या इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब को देखेंगे. एक स्ट्रिप रबर ट्यूब से in second times what we will do, we will bend this rubber tube. And now we will look from this rubber tube what we will observe when, if we will see from straight rubber tube, we can see the candles and we can see the light of torch. But if we will bend this rubber tube, we cannot see the candle and the light bulb. Why? That means, and by this activity, we can say a light travel always in a straight line, and this property of light known as rectilinear propagation of light. A light always travel in a straight line. The beam of light become narrow. Light travels in a straight line, and the light traveling in a straight line, it's called the rectilinear propagation of light. The path of light can be represented by a ray. और जो इसका वे होता है वो किससे प्रेजेंट किया जाता है? रे से. You will study about the ray diagram in a detail in your higher classes. A beam of light consists of several rays. जो beam of light होता है उसमें बहुत सारी rays होती है. rays का collection होता है, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? कन्वर्जन में क्या होगी, साइड डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन से आके एक पॉइंट पे मिलेगी, उसको हम बोलेंगे कन्वर्जन बीम ऑफ लाइट। और डायवर्जन में एक पॉइंट से निकल के साइड डायरेक्शन में जिसकी रेज होगी वो फैल जाएगी, वो क्या होगा, डायवर्जन बीम ऑफ लाइट। We can clearly see a beam of light. We cannot see a rays of light, but light coming from a source is always represented by a ray. Light is not visible for us, but it makes things visible for us. Whenever it falls on other object, we can see that object according to light, and according to passing the light, we can classify all object into three types. First, transparent, translucent and opaque object. This about this we have studied about in our fourth chapter also, the transparent, translucent and object. Transparent object, materials that can be classified on the basis of whether they allow light to pass through them or not. According to them, we can classify object into three types. First, transparent, object or material which allow light to pass through them completely. Some types of object they allow light to pass through them completely. They are called transparent object. Example, glass, transparent plastic sheets. They all are example of transparent object. From transparent object, we can see clearly across the object. Also, we can see this is transparent object. From the transparent object, look the other side of the material. We can look the other side also from that material, because जो light होती है वो reflect नहीं होती, पूरी उसमें से चली जाती है, तो वो अपने लिए क्या होता है, visible होता है, उसके across भी अपन completely देख सकते हैं. And next, opaque object, material which does not allow to light completely and they block the light. They are called opaque object. Like example, wood, wall. These all are example of opaque. And from opaque object, we cannot see across the object. Third type of object, translucent object. Translucent object, the object which allow partial light from them. They are called translucent object. Like example, butter paper. They all are example. Butter paper is an example of translucent object. Remaining portion